show you how to do a bun in 1 minute or less that's gonna look cute and is probably the easiest style of bun that I teach. To start off with, I do have some waves in my hair, and I do have some texturizing and volumizing products. Some mousse was blow dried in there, some dry texture spray went on once it was all styled, and those things are absolutely going to help. If you don't have any product in your hair, it's gonna not quite respond the same way. It's not to say that you can't do it, but your expectations need to shift a little if you don't have any product in your hair. If you want to get a result similar to mine, you're going to have to get some product in that hair. Keep in mind, if your hair is longer than mine, you're also going to have a little tail to deal with. Some of the things you can do with that are tuck it in, wrap it around and pin it, or just leave it. You can absolutely just leave it. That's also a vibe, and there is nothing wrong with that. But often people will say they can't do the style because their hair is longer than mine, and that's not true. You just need to find something to do with the ends of your hair. I'm not going to talk through this. I'm gonna just do it, and I'll voice over the video because I find when I talk, I take way longer to do things, and I want to show you how fast you can really do this. One more quick note before I start. Keep in mind that even though this is an absolutely beginner level bun and is super easy, to make it look as cute and put together as I do still takes some practice, because that's called hand in hair manipulation, and learning how to manipulate your hair to look the way you want it to is absolutely a learned skill that takes practice. But the only way you're going to get good at it is by practicing.
I like to start with flipping my head over to get my ponytail nice and high on my head, as opposed to brushing everything up with a brush. This is just going to make it a little bit looser. I pull everything back to start, and then I pull out the bangs that I want, as opposed to try to pull everything back with my bangs still out. I just find that that usually works easier, pulling the bangs out afterwards. And then I am just going to use a hair tie to start a ponytail, and on the last pull through, I'm just going to leave a little loop, and then I am just going to pull that loop apart. So you can see that I'm not just pulling from the two ends, I'm pulling from all sections of the bun in all different directions, and that's going to create the texture and the fullness. And I pull at the base of my hair as well, and you just want to manipulate it until it looks the way you want it to. Once I'm happy with the way it looks, I'm going to grab a bobby pin and just pin the front. You don't have to do that part, but I like to, just so that the hair stays where I've put it. But really, it depends on the time. Sometimes I add a bobby pin, sometimes I don't. Every time I do the bun, it comes out a little different.
That's fast. That's easy. You literally can't get any easier than that. If you can do a ponytail, you can do this bun. I know we do a lot of buns on this page, but honestly, people never get tired of seeing buns, so I'm always looking for new ways to teach you how to do them, so you can finally find one that is your favorite and that you can get every time. A bun like this is honestly going to look a little bit different every single time you do it, but that's fine. It's a messy bun. It's going to be messy, but it's supposed to be messy, hence the name messy bun. I always think it's hilarious when people make comments on my videos for messy bun saying, that's a mess. Well, it's a messy bun. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I hope this has been helpful. I hope that you finally find a bun that you can throw up on top of your head and feel good about in a minute or less. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and like and subscribe because it helps me out. Bye, guys.